got the ick. Thanks.
Yeah, and so I feel like that's probably as weird as it got because it was a combination of like partial male nudity. You got live animals involved, one in a cage, one not in a cage. It should have been in a cage, and it was like just a lot. There was just a lot there. Yeah. You couldn't like script that one.
A zoo, yeah. Sometimes you can.
Do you have one? I feel like I know this one.
Well, I one time was approached by somebody with a rifle because we were out on land and it had no signage, and we were trying to find where the plot was and sneaking around.
Oh no.